should have them. Let me see. I'm gonna have to get this one. So we were supposed to be going to an event, but I think I took too long trying to get dressed, and so we might not make it to that event, but that's okay. That is okay. We're gonna figure out something else to do. He was like, we're not gonna make it in time. That's all right, baby. That's okay. Okay, so I'm coming in here to get some eye stuff for my eyes, and I'm coming in here to get some kind of lip balm or lip gloss or something for my lips. I'm like super duper picky when it comes down to lip stuff because my lips crack and dry easily. So I'm like, yeah, I need to make sure that I get the right stuff, not just the cute stuff, right? I need something that's gonna help me. So let me see if I can find me something good. All right, so looks like they got Vaseline. Hello. Good, how are you? Good.